allow me take this opportunity also to take you through the stages of mitosis. Now, we say that the stages of mitosis are 5, and remember we use the other formula called the ipmat. So ipmat is going to help us arrange and remember these stages of mitosis from the first one to the last one. Now, according to ipmat, the first stage of mitosis is interphase. So the first stage of mitosis is interphase. In bracket, what we can call the stage of what? Replication. Now, in interphase, we are seeing that the chromosomes are not visible. In interphase, the chromosomes are not visible. Then chromatins are present. Then we are looking at the centrioles are also present. We have replication of DNA, that is deoxyribonucleic acid, also occurs in interphase. We have production of ATP. Now ATP, the word ATP is A stands for adenosine triphosphate. Then we have formation of new organelles. All those ones occurs in interphase. So we have a drawing below. Yes, we have this part is the so-called centrioles. Then here we are having what we are calling the nucleolus and the chromosomes. Now we have looked at what we are calling the interphase. So after interphase, what comes next is in prophase stage, or we can call it the thickening the thickening stage. So in this stage, we are seeing that chromosomes are formed. We are having that centrioles are at the opposite sides of the nucleus. We are seeing that the spindle fibers are also formed. We are seeing that the nucleolus disappears. We are saying the nuclear membrane breaks down. So as we can see at that drawing, we are saying the centrioles, they have already moved at the opposite at the opposite sides of the nucleus. As you can see, this is our nuclear membrane. We are seeing that chromosomes are already formed. Let us go to the next one. The next stage is called the metaphase, and it can also be called the arrangement stage. So in metaphase, we are seeing that chromosomes arrange themselves at the equator, as we shall see at our drawing below. Then we are saying that the homologous chromosomes do not associate. We are seeing that chromatids draw apart at the centromere towards the opposite the opposite poles. Then we are seeing that chromosomes migrate at the equator, as you can see at our drawing there. We are seeing that the chromosomes have assembled themselves at the equator. We are having, these ones are called the centrioles. This is the cell membrane. This one is the cytoplasm. So that has been in metaphase as a stage. So let's proceed to the next stage. The other stage is called the anaphase, or if you don't call it anaphase, you can call it the migration stage. Now here the spindle fibers contract and shorten. We are seeing that the sister chromatids move to the opposite poles. We are saying chromosomes reach their destination, and we are saying the spindle fibers begin to break it down. So as you can look at that drawing, we are saying that these ones are the sister chromatids, as you can see them. These are the spindle fibers. Here we have the centrioles. So after going through the anaphase stage, let's look at the next stage. Our last stage is called the telophase. Telophase is our last stage, and we can call it cell constrict, we are saying that the cell membrane starts to constrict across the middle. We are saying that the nuclear membrane reforms, then the spindle fibers degenerate. The word degenerate can mean disappear. Then we are saying the cytoplasm divides into two new data cells. Then the chromosomes uncoil, or they become thread-like, as you can see there. We are saying that the cell membrane now has started constricting, or it has started begin deforming or breaking down. We are saying that the nuclear membrane reforms. We are saying that here we have the nuclear membrane around this part, and here you have the nuclear membrane around this part. We are saying that the spindle fibers has degenerated, as we don't have the other spindle fibers within these chromatids, so this appears. Actually, when you look at that means we have looked at the 5 stages of mitosis. We started with the interphase, where we saw generations of new organelles. We went to prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and the telophase. So at this moment, allow me take you to the last part of mitosis. Yes, this is the last part of mitosis, and they can say the roles or importance of mitosis. We are saying that it is important in growth of an organism, because it increases on the number of cells. It is also important in asexual reproduction. It is important in genetic stability. Then it is also important in cell replacement, and lastly regeneration of the worn out cells or tissues. Allow me end here and I sign out. I think our brother, that was what you asked for, so continue subscribing, and I will welcome your question in the comment section. I sign out.